Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through enabling the FCC Nutrition Labels on your customer portal. This is a crucial step to ensure you're providing your customers with all the information they need about their internet service and packages, as required by the FCC. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, here's an important reminder. Make sure you already have packages created, and it includes an internet service, and that these packages are displayed on both your online sign-up form and your customer's account portal. Let's start. Go to the 9-dot menu. Under the General tab, click on My Visp. Scroll down until you see ISP info. Here's where you input your FCC Registration Number or FRN. This is super important because it is required and it will automatically be added in your nutrition labels. Once you've entered it, go ahead and close the My Visp section. Next, verify your packages. Go back to the 9-dot menu and this time click on the Billing tab and go to Packages. Now here's a key point. Your package must include an internet service for the nutrition labels to be displayed. Scroll down to the package main profile and find the Services section. You'll see a column labeled FCC Tech Code. Make sure to select the correct FCC technology code for each of your services. For example, 70 is for terrestrial fixed wireless and 50 is for fiber optic. You can find the full list in the drop-down menu. Now let's enable the nutrition labels. Close Packages and go to the 9-dot menu and click on the CRM tab. Select Portals. Now use the left sidebar navigation to go to Online Signup. Scroll down into the Customization section and you'll see an option that says Show FCC Nutrition Labels. Go ahead and enable it. If you have links to your public-facing articles or documents about your network management policy and privacy policy, add them in the fields below. Save your changes and you're good to go. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled your FCC Nutrition Labels on the customer portal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your Visp client success team. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.